on the frog. Quinn felt the line moving, and he got one. Alright, just cast it on. I'm already getting bites. Good sign. But hey, remember what I tell you guys. We're here for one thing. The Redbreast Sunfish. I know there's some hiding around here, so we'll see if I can get one. Little fish nibbling at it. Come here. Got one. Not what I'm looking for. Up. Got off. It's all good. It happens. Oh, come here, buddy. Please be what I'm looking for. Come on. Definitely not what I'm looking for. It's all good. Rock bass. I'm not gonna be mad. A fish is a fish, but we're looking for the Redbreast Sunfish. So let's get him back in the water. It's all good. A fish is a fish. First one of the day. Right under there. Perfect. Let's go. Come on. There gotta be a bluegill hiding under there. Let's see. Time my drag a little bit more. So I'm just nibbling. I don't know what it could be though. Could be anything. Take it. Take it. There we go. Oh, that's a nice one. Oh, that's a nice sized rock bass. Look at that. I think it's on the top of its lip. See if we can get it out for him real quick. Oh yeah, that's a chunky rock bass. Oh, it's a little bit on top of his head. I don't know how he did that. Chunky guy though. Let's see if I can get it out for him. All right, he's okay, guys. Nice chunky rock bass. Look at that belly. Oh my gosh, look at the belly on him. He's been eating good. Look at that. Let me get a picture of this guy. He's chunky. Ah, look what we have here. Another rock bass. This creek is infested with them. Look at these. This is a little guy. Might be the smallest one I've ever caught. Yeah, it probably is. I can't even put my thumb in his mouth. It's all good. Get him back out. Oh yeah, this is definitely, this is my PB smallest rock bass. Look how tiny he is. So cute. All right, buddy. We'll get you back in there. The rock bass, man, I tell you what, they don't really fight much. The moment that hook's set, it's just pull them in, honestly. Yep. Look at this. Tiny rock bass. We're going for little fish today. Sometimes you gotta switch it up. Not going for no personal best, nothing like that. We're switching it up, going for little baby fish. Look at this tiny rock bass. Let's get buddy back in the water. There you go. Swam off. All right, so we got a rock bass. Now let's try to get a smallmouth and a bluegill. Hey, they have all types of fish in here, so we're trying to get them all today. What we got? Oh, nice little smallmouth. I didn't even know I had one. Look at them. Even when they're small, they fight hard. Come here, buddy. Tiny smallmouth. Get him back in there. There we go. Got it. I thought that. Look. There we go. Baby smallmouth. Felt that one coming. Let's go. So we already got a rock bass and a smallmouth. Now we gotta get those bluegill. Tiny guy. It don't matter how small the smallmouths are, I tell you what, they always fight. Get little guy back in the water. See if we got a fish on right now. We do. Oh, just lost it. Man, they get off quick. Make sure my hook's still good. All right, I moved down slightly because I saw some nice smallmouth down here, so I want to see if I could get any of them. Get one of them to bite real quick. Got one. Nice one. Look at that. For this creek, that's a pretty nice one. Not bad. Not bad at all. Look at that. For this creek, that's not a bad smallmouth. Get him back in there. There we go. One took it on the drop. Let's go.